Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Nilu and today we'll be learning operations on irrational numbers, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So let us start now. We have addition. So first question we have, add 3 root 2 plus 7 root 3 and root 2 minus 5 root 3. So we can write 3 root 2 plus 7 root 3 plus root 2 minus 5 root 3. So by removing the brackets we can write 3 root 2 plus 7 root 3 plus root 2 minus 5 root 3. Now by arranging we can write 3 root 2 plus root 2 plus 7 root 3 minus 5 root 3. Now we can write 3 plus 1 we have 4. So 4 root 2. Similarly 7 minus 5 we have 2. So 2 root 3. Next question we have, add 2 root 5 plus 3 root 7 and 3 root 5 minus 2 root 3. So we can write 2 root 5 plus 3 root 7 plus 3 root 5 minus 2 root 3. So by removing the brackets we can write 2 root 5 plus 3 root 7 plus 3 root 5 minus 2 root 3. Now by arranging we can write 2 root 5 plus 3 root 5 plus 3 root 7 minus 2 root 3. So here we can see these two are similar, so we can add it, and these two are different, so it will be as it is. So we can write here 2 plus 3 we have 5, so 5 root 5 plus 3 root 7 minus 2 root 3. Next we have subtraction of irrational number. So question number 1 we have, subtract 3 root 2 plus 7 root 3 from 9 root 2 plus 6 root 3. So we can write 9 root 2 plus 6 root 3 minus 3 root 2 plus 7 root 3. So by removing the bracket we can write 9 root 2 plus 6 root 3, then minus 3 root 2, here minus into plus we have minus, so minus 7 root 3. Now we can write 9 minus 3 we have 6, so 6 root 2 minus 7 minus 6 we have 1, so we can write root 3. Question number 2 we have, subtract 2 root 7 minus 3 root 5 from 6 root 7 minus 7 root 5. So here we can write 6 root 7 minus 7 root 5 minus 2 root 7 minus 3 root 5. So by removing the bracket we can write 6 root 7 minus 7 root 5 minus 2 root 7 plus 3 root 5. Here we got plus because minus into minus equal to plus. So next we can write 6 minus 2 we have 4, so 4 root 7. Similarly 7 minus 3 we have 4, so minus 4 root 5. Next we have multiplication of irrational numbers. So question number 1, multiply 3 root 2 by 11 root 2. So here we can write 3 root 2 into 11 root 2 equal to 3 into 11 into root 2 into root 2. So 3 11 is 33 into root 2 into 2. So which we can write as 33 into 2. Now 33 2s are 66. Question number 2 we have, multiply 3 root 11 by 11 root 2. So here we can write 3 root 11 into 11 root 2. So which is equal to 3 into 11 into root 11 into root 2, which is also can write as 33 into 11 root 11 into 2, which is equal 33 root 22. So question number 3 we have multiply 11 root 2 plus 3 root 11 by 3 root 2. So here we can write 11 root 2 plus 3 root 11 into 3 root 2 here. Now first we need to multiply a root this 11 root 2 into 3 root 2, then plus 3 root 11 into 3 root 2. Now here you can write 11 into 3 into root 2 into 2 plus 3 into 3 root 11 into root 2, which is equal here 33 into 2 plus 9 root 11 into 2, which is equal 66 plus 9 root 22. Next we have division of irrational numbers. So question number 1 we have divide 15 root 15 by 3 root 5. So here we can write 15 root 15 by 3 root 5 equal to 15 into root 5 into 3 by 3 root 5 equal to 15 into root 5 into root 3 by 3 root 5. So here we can do cancellation. 3 5 ja 15, then root 5 cancel, so we have only 5 root 3. Second question we have divide 16 root 6 by 4 root 2. So similarly we can write here 16 root 6 by 4 root 2 equal to 16 into root 2 into 3 by 4 into root 2 equal to 16 into root 3 into root 2 by 4 into root 2. Here we can do cancellation, so we can write here 4 4 ja 16, then root 2 cancel, so answer will be 4 root 3. I hope that the concept is clear now. So now let me give you a few questions which you can practice at home. It is from addition. I'll be giving 2 questions, then 2 questions from subtraction, then 2 questions from multiplication, and 2 from division. So you can practice those questions at home. Thank you for watching.